It's tax season, and a lot has changed since last year when measures were taken to help taxpayers during the pandemic recession. With this year's changes, parents could now see a much smaller refund. Our National Verify team explains for you.
With tax season underway, Verify is here to answer your questions. We noticed some folks were startled because the money they can get from the child tax credit appeared to have gone down significantly this year. You might remember that as part of the pandemic relief efforts, that credit was increased by at least $1,000 per child. So let's verify. Can families receive the increased child tax credit this year? Our sources are the White House, the IRS, and the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021. The child tax credit was created in the 90s as a way to give families under a certain income threshold extra cash to help raise their kids. Historically, the money came in the form of a yearly lump sum at tax time, $2,000 per kid. In 2021, President Biden signed the American Rescue Plan, a stimulus package aimed at helping the nation bounce back from COVID. One of its provisions was to increase the child tax credit by $1,000 per kid, even more for kids 5 and under. Some of that money was actually sent out in advance in the form of monthly checks, and the rest claimed on that year's tax return like normal. But the law specifically says this bonus cash was a one-time thing, only for the 2021 tax year. That means there were no more monthly checks in 2022, and the total amount per kid went back down to $2,000. So we can verify, no, you won't receive the increased child tax credit this year. You can still get the regular credit if you claim it on your tax return. With your Verify, I'm Casey Decker.
Okay, so the regular credit is still
Yes.
there. So I understand.
I can't believe we're talking tax season, but it is April 18th this year, if you're trying to keep track.
You got to mark your calendar.
Yeah.